Yo, Max!
What?
What the f is this?
It's just almond milk.
What you mean? Almonds ain't got no titties.
God, you are so stupid.
No, I'm not.
What's that? I can't hear you. Speak up.
No, I'm not.
What was it, Lily?
Potatoes might be the secret recipe to fry.
Lily, walk over here right this instant. I told you to walk, you little
Bobby, I drew a picture.
Honey, what a great doggy.
Not a doggy.
What a wonderful giraffe.
No.
It's a great piece of shit. Scribble, you little b****.
I would never cheat on you.
Alright, honey came in and she got me red-handed. Treat me with the
Just friends.
Hello. This is you from the future. I don't have any time to explain. You don't? No.
Get on the ground!
I didn't hear a please.
Please.
No, it's too late. Give me the gun. What?
Girl, you won't believe how lazy Max is. He doesn't do anything in this house. His room is a complete mess.
How's the weather down there, little man?
I always feel so bad about that one little Christmas tree that no one really picks.
Please pick me!
I'm sorry, little.
Please, that'd be so good! Help me! Someone stabbed me with a spatula!
I'm just gonna ignore this like you ignored my text yesterday.
Spoiled brat! You spoiled!
Hey, you wanna go out?
No. I'll go out with you.
Denise!
You're salty.
Hey, do you want to go shopping with me and my mom?
Hey Jojo, pool party, wanna come? Fine with me! Oh my gosh,
Baby, does it bother you that you work out and I don't?
No, because if you ever try to leave me, I'll just break your neck.
Did I tell you I love you today?